Here's a good laugh for the day, unless you're actually the guy in the video. It should be mentioned there's some minor language in the full video, so if you're watching at work, leave your earbuds in or your volume down. So let's get with it. From what we can gather, this guy is having a tough day. He's driving in some snow on a residential street. He tries everything to get that Jeep Grand Cherokee unstuck, flooring it, swearing at it, reversing it. Flooring it isn't going to help, but he doesn't really care. He tries that method for about 7 minutes. And what do you know? Swearing at the Jeep didn't really help either. It seems obvious if he went just a little bit further in reverse, he'd get out of the snow and get some traction. But who are we to tell him what to do? Finally, he figures out flooring it a little more, gets the snow to turn him loose. Good job. The original poster wanted these points noted for all of you critical viewers out there. Number 1, the angry man was offered assistance by several people who he cursed out. And number 2, a Toyota Prius climbed the hill unassisted. That's embarrassing.